Number 19 is link building, high quality backlinks. Okay, Google only counts quality links. They know about all the links that are out there to your website, but only a handful really have super high value. High quality links help with your SEO efforts and with ranking on Google. So think quality over quantity. Authority, right? The A in EAT is how important or powerful a site is in its industry. So if you want to become authoritative, you want to build your own authority, you do that by acquiring links back to your website from high quality websites. Back in the day, man, we could put up a website, get a good keyword rich domain, put up a 5-6 page website, shove a bunch of keywords in somewhere. Site could be like 2 weeks old, get it indexed, and it'd be ranking right away. Super unlikely that's going to happen these days. Okay, because you have no authority yet. You have no trust yet. You don't have any, experience or expertise discovered yet. It's too soon. I often say that websites are a lot like infants. A new website is like a brand new baby. The only thing that a brand new baby knows how to do is eat, poop, and sleep. And it's, that's it. They have to learn to walk and talk and eat and understand and communicate and all that. It takes time to become that. It takes longer, longer than you might expect for a website that's brand new to rank, especially in a competitive market. I mean, I'm working with a mover here in town. I've worked with them for over 12, 13 years now. They rank really well for a lot of stuff, but every now and then, one of the big franchise guys come in and they revamp their website, and we get knocked down by peg because we're a small local site. So we got to find ways to kind of build it back up. So getting your authority, get those great links back to your website. Again, my class on link building, great example on what you can do there. But get backlinks from authority sites can help a page get ranked past to you, helps you rank higher in the search results pages. And the authority of the page linking to you is what matters most. So getting links from important sites, maybe other sites in your industry, maybe sites that are topically related, geographically related, maybe they're industry resource sites, maybe they're government or EDU sites, any kind of link that is in your topic area. Maybe it's a trade magazine or a trade school or something that can link to you. It's in your industry. That's going to add to your authority because other people that are well known in the industry have authority. They're linking to you. That's passing value. They're saying, yep, these guys are good. We're linking to them. So there must mean that you have a little bit of more value. Think of it like a referral from someone that you trust really high. You're more likely to give them a call or get the call. Okay. Try going after backlinks from those authoritative sites in your topic area, right? Things like industry-related organizations or associations, like educational establishments, publications, news sites. I mentioned earlier the .gov or the .edu sites, newspapers, and other online magazines are helpful, especially if they're geographically relevant. Authors and other bloggers that are in your authority area that are writing about stuff in your industry, if they link to you or you write with you, whatever. And then local sites, especially if you're a local business, things like the chambers of commerce. And there's a lot of them in the area. It's not like only one. You can join several of these chambers of commerce in there. You have local news publications too, like the small, not the big papers, but the small little weekly papers are great. Or like the biweekly magazines, if they have an online paper or an online magazine kind of thing, those can be super helpful. The Better Business Bureau, that's another one. And other charities and sponsorships. When you become a part of a charity, or you sponsor something, typically they'll link back to you, right? And then not only that, but now you're also in your local community and you're a sponsor. Maybe you have a table, maybe you have your logo somewhere, on the sponsored event or whatever you're doing. And that can build some community trust and some branding as well. A lot of value in there. And if you get that link too, even better. So these are all the kinds of high quality links you want to be dealing with. But remember that relevancy matters, right? The linking sites, the theme should be relevant to yours. So going back to my dog training one, I use this all the time. A dog trainer linking to a dog, a veterinarian, and a veterinarian linking back to them. That's great. It's relevant, right? A dog groomer linking to the dog trainer. That's great. A pet food supply company linking to the dog trainer. That's great. An animal rescue site. Animal, whether it's dogs or not, if they're animal related, linking, that's great. It's thematically related in some way. The more closely it's related, the better. But even as you kind of spread out, like a dog food company linking to a dog trainer, that'd be great too. Or any kind of pet food, that would be great. The importance of backlinks can be explained through a simple equation. More backlinks from high quality domains equals an advantage over pages with similar on-page metrics, but fewer backlinks. In other words, all things considered the same on your website, if you've got good backlinks and the other people don't, you're going to win. Okay. But you got to make sure that those backlinks don't come from low quality domains or domains that are kind of spammy or doing things they shouldn't be doing. They're completely topically unrelated, because that's not going to help you reach better rankings. So keep both quality and quantity in mind. All right. I got a couple links here you can see. Website Magazine was one. Link Building and Establishing Authority. Link Building Tips for Small, Medium Businesses also out there. All really, really good resources for that.